If you don't understand operators in Python, your code will never behave the way you expect. So let's fix that today. Hello learners, welcome to your learning hub, The Learning Loop. I am Swati Sharma and this is the 18th video of my beginner friendly Python course series. If you are joining me for the first time, thank you for dropping by. And please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on my future videos. And if you are just starting your Python journey and haven't checked out my previous videos yet, I will highly recommend you to go back and check those videos out so that you are all caught up. From today, we will be starting a new topic operators in Python. And today, we will keep it short and simple, and we will be covering two of them, that is, the assignment operators and the comparison operators. So, without a further ado, let's dive in. Let's first understand what are operators. Operators are nothing but symbols that tells Python what action to perform. For example, is equal to, multiplication, addition, division, greater than, less than. These symbols allow Python to perform calculations, to assign values, and compare values. Python has several categories of operators like assignment operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, comparison operators, arithmetic operators, membership, and identity operators. Today, we are going to stay focused on assignment and the comparison operators because these are everywhere from variables to conditions to loops. Let's start with the assignment operator. The basic assignment operator is a single is equal to sign. And we have been using a lot in our previous videos as well. We have seen that we are using this assignment operator. And as the name suggests, is used to assign the value to the variable. So to the left of the assignment operator will be the variable name, and to the right of the assignment operator will be the value that we would like to assign to that variable. We have something called as compound assignments as well, that is plus is equal to, minus is equal to, multiply is equal to, etc. But we will cover all these in the next video along with the arithmetic operators. Next category is the comparison operators. Comparison operators compare two values and return either true or false. These include is equal to, not is equal to, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. The equal to, I need you to focus on the equal to comparison operator. As you can see, it's a double equal to sign. And if you use a single equal to sign, that would be treated as an assignment operator. So when you're using double equal to sign, it is used to compare the two values. But if you're using a single equal to sign, that would be used to assign the values. So be very careful how you use the equal to in Python, else you might see some error messages if you're not using the equal to sign correctly. Also, most of the comparison operators are used with the numbers only, except for the equal to, as it is used to compare and check if the two values are equal or not. So these would be used across almost all the data types like strings, numbers, lists, tuples, sets, everything. For example, if I try to compare the cat, and you can see the two examples here, the cat with all in lowercase, both on right and the left side. And when I'm trying to compare it, I get a true. However, if I compare cat all in lowercase and cat with C in uppercase, we are getting a false. That's because Python is case sensitive. So if it will treat cat in all lowercase and cat with C in uppercase as two different values and not the same ones. For numbers, the comparisons behave exactly the way how you expect. With this, we have come to the end of this video and we have covered the assignment and the comparison operators. In the very next video, we will go over the third category of operators, that is the arithmetic operators. That's it for today, guys. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Until then, happy coding.